Hi, welcome to the Shelly Studio. Today I'm working in my art journal. I already have some Tim Holtz collage paper down. I had torn a page, or it was wearing out, probably too much wet media on the other page and kind of wore out the pages, so I just glued that down to hold the book together, and so now I'm working on it. I believe this is Dina Wakely's Fuchsia, and it really went on really dark. So I'm using a stencil to kind of lift the pattern. Messy wet thing. And then I push it down on the other side, but I don't like the results, just way too messy. So I'm going to wipe that off with a wet baby wipe. Oh, can't talk today. Anyways, then I'm just going to use that and just stencil a lighter version on that side. I like that much better. There we go. So I'm just, again, this is just playing around in my journal. That's what I like to do. And just exploring with a bunch of colors. That stencil back down, and then just adding some pink. The paints I have, the tube paints I got on clearance, so they're getting a little stiff, except for that fuchsia, that was super runny. But the pink's a little stiff, and some of the other colors have gotten a little bit stiff. So I figured I need to use them up, so that's why I've been doing so many journal pages with Dina Wakely's paints. Maybe one day I'll do a gel printing session with them, use them up even more. So I wasn't really happy with where the background was going, so I was thinking I was going to cover up a lot with the white, but then I end up only going part way. And decide that maybe I'll do the lift technique again using that stencil. So again, placing it on there, taking a baby wipe, and lifting up the white paint. I kind of like the look of that. It's my background's starting to grow on me. So now I'm going to add just a little bit more color. I'm going to add some of Dina Wakely's cheddar. Because why not? I think orange looks good with pink. I'm really liking that color combination. I don't know why I can't get my stencil to line up the way I want to. I think it's because the bottom part and the top part don't line up correctly. Oh well. Nobody'll even notice. So I decided I want to draw a face to put on my page. I've been taking Dina Wakely's suggestion that you should draw at least 100 faces. I'm up to 59, and supposedly by the time I get to 100, they'll be decent looking. So this is like halfway there. So it's halfway decent looking. Okay, now that I have it drawn out, I'm going to go around and draw the lines with my Stabilo All pencil. It's water soluble, so I will take my water brush to it, and it just helps create some shading, and I just really like how that works out when you use it. Okay, so I'm going to put it on there. It's going to take up way too much space, so I'm going to tear around her head and tear across the bottom and see how we can fit it on. Alright, so we're going to glue this on. I'm using Fabri-Tac because that's what I had handy. And hopefully do enough of her head but not cover up too much of that background. Decided to give her a little bit of color with some of the scribble sticks. We'll give her green eyes. The Stabilo wall. I think I had a little too much of the Stabilo wall on there. So I'm just going to blot it off. There we go. It's slightly pink. Her lips are slightly pink. Then just add a little color to her shirt. And I don't show you, but I do put a strip of some book text along the side, so there's some words. They're just random. I hope you liked that. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. And if you'd like to see more from me, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.